If you have noticed that things seem smaller than they used to be, I need you to stop what you are doing and watch this entire video. Not because I want to alarm you, because what I am about to tell you is something your doctor has probably never connected for you directly. And the connection changes everything about how you understand what is happening to your body right now. Most men over 60 who notice size changes assume it is simply age, that bodies change, that this is normal, that there is nothing to be done. But here is what the research actually shows, and what I see confirmed in my practice every single week. Size reduction in men over 60 is not primarily caused by age. It is caused by restricted blood flow. Specifically, the kind of chronic vascular restriction that happens when the prostate becomes enlarged and begins compressing the network of blood vessels that supply the erectile tissue directly below it. Less blood flow, less tissue oxygenation, less volume. Over months and years, a change that most men blame on time when the real cause is a prostate that has been quietly growing and restricting circulation for longer than they realize. This is not inevitable. This is not permanent. And this is not something you have to simply accept. I'm Dr. Elena Martinez, a urologist who has spent 10 years helping men over 60 understand what their bodies are actually telling them, not what they assume aging means. Before we go further, if this is something you needed to find today, hit the like button right now. It helps other men find this when they are searching for answers. Drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. I read every single one. And subscribe because this channel exists for the conversations most doctors never have time to finish. Let me explain exactly what is happening biologically, because once you understand the mechanism, the solution becomes obvious. Your prostate sits in the center of a network of blood vessels that supplies both urinary and sexual function. When the prostate enlarges, which happens to most men starting in their 50s, it does not just affect urinary flow. It creates pressure and inflammation in the surrounding vascular tissue. That vascular pressure reduces blood flow through the penile arteries. Reduced blood flow means reduced tissue oxygenation. And tissue that is consistently underoxygenated over months and years undergoes a process called smooth muscle fibrosis, where the elastic tissue that allows for full engorgement gradually becomes replaced by less elastic fibrous tissue. Think of it like a balloon that has not been fully inflated in a long time. The rubber loses its elasticity. It no longer expands the way it once did. Not because the rubber is broken, but because it has not been fully stretched regularly enough to maintain its flexibility. Your erectile tissue is that balloon, and the prostate restriction is what has been preventing it from fully inflating. I want to tell you about a patient I see regularly. He is 69 years old, retired contractor, strong man who has built things with his hands his entire life. He came to me not for urinary symptoms, which he had but minimized, but because he had noticed significant size changes over the previous 2 years and could not find an honest explanation anywhere. He said, "I searched online for months. Everything I found either told me it was just age or tried to sell me something. Nobody explained why it was actually happening." He was right, and he deserved a real answer. When I examined him, his prostate was moderately enlarged. His pelvic blood flow markers were significantly reduced. The two things were directly connected. His prostate had been quietly restricting circulation to his erectile tissue for years while he searched for explanations that nobody gave him. Does this sound familiar? Tell me in the comments. How long have you been noticing this without a real explanation? Just a rough time. Months, years. I read everything. Now here is what actually reverses this, and why it works when nothing else does. The key is addressing both sides of the problem simultaneously. Side 1. Reduce prostate inflammation and size. When the prostate reduces in size, even partially, the vascular compression it is creating reduces with it. Blood flow begins returning to the network it was restricting. Tissue that was underoxygenated begins receiving adequate circulation again. Side 2. Support the vascular pathways directly. Nitric oxide is the compound your blood vessel walls produce that signals smooth muscle tissue to relax and allow maximum blood flow. After 60, nitric oxide production decreases significantly. Supporting it directly, through specific amino acids like L-arginine and L-citrulline and through consistent physical activation of the pathways, helps reverse the fibrosis process and restore tissue elasticity over time. The men who address both sides simultaneously, prostate inflammation and nitric oxide support, consistently report the most meaningful improvements. Not overnight. Over 8 to 12 weeks of consistent support. I have a page in the description below this video with specific natural support formulated for men over 60 addressing exactly this combination. Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description right now. It says tap here, or you will see the web address starting with TRE. Tap that link directly. It takes you to a page I put together specifically for men in your situation. Read it before you close this video. The retired contractor came back 10 weeks after our conversation. He said, "I did not expect this to be reversible. I had accepted it. I should not have accepted it so quickly." That sentence stays with me, because it represents what happens when men are finally given the real explanation and the real solution, instead of being told to accept decline as inevitable. Your body is not finished. It is restricted. And restriction, when you address the source, responds. That link in the description, tap it now before you forget. A lot of men your age found it at exactly this moment and came back weeks later saying the same thing the contractor said. Tell me in the comments, did you know this was connected to your prostate before today? Just yes or no. I read every single one and I answer as many as I can. If this gave you something real, hit like. It helps other men find this. Subscribe so we can keep having these conversations. And share this with a man you know who has been accepting something he should not have to accept. I'm Dr. Elena Martinez. And I'm here to remind you, your body is not failing you. It is asking for specific help. And specific help, when you find it, changes everything. Take care of yourself. You are worth it. As always, everything I share here is educational. Please talk to your own doctor about what is right for your specific situation.